So the law is that we must wait until pedestrians attain the curb all the way up over there.
Oh, to go? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Same with that one over there as well.
Okay.
1 foot to the sidewalk and we're good to go unless this driver goes, okay. So this lane is kind of skinny. We'll make our right lane change. Of course, being aware of maybe people opening doors or whatever. That's why you go at a slow speed, or somebody walking out from between the cars. We're going to turn right here at the stop sign. And if you look around the corner ahead of time, you can see where the cars are parked on each side of the road, so you're okay to turn here. And then we're going to turn left at the lights. And you know which lane to get into for that, or the left turn? See the road marking? Okay. And if you look around, you got traffic lights on that side, you got traffic lights on that side, two-way traffic. And you might be able to see the yellow line over there dividing the traffic. Correct choice of lane, and we'll make a right lane change. We're going to turn right at the lights. And then check over your right shoulder here. It's always good to check to make sure there's no scooters, motorized scooters, flying along the sidewalk. Sharp right. And lane change. And then lane change back to the right after this car. We're going to keep going straight.
Okay.
And then once we get through, it's again 2 lanes. We're going to make a left turn, so we make a left lane change again. A lot of lane changes when you're downtown.
It's fun.
Yeah. This roadway, you'll see it's pretty wide. And when it's wide like that, you stay close to the yellow line.
Okay.
It's usually wider because they allow maybe cars to park on the side of the road, or I'm thinking that it's, you know, at one point, we're going to keep going straight here, but at one point that was a school.
Oh, yeah.
And so the school buses, I'm guessing they might have parked
Yeah.
on the road, so it might be wide for that reason.